How to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to categorize transactions in QuickBooks Online. This is an important step to keep your finances organized and accurate for bookkeeping and tax purposes. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, navigate on the left hand side and click on the Transactions tab. This will take you to the page where all of your transactions are listed, including expenses, income, and bank deposits. Next, review the list of transactions that need to be categorized. If you've connected your bank or credit card account, QuickBooks will automatically import transactions and they may still need to be assigned to the right categories. To categorize a transaction, simply click on the transaction you want to categorize. A drop-down menu will appear with various categories such as office supplies, meals and entertainment, or utilities. Choose the appropriate category based on the type of transaction. You can also add notes or attachments if needed. Once you've selected the category, click Save to confirm. Repeat the process for all other transactions. You can also use the Rules feature in QuickBooks to automatically categorize similar transactions in the future, saving you time. And that's it. You now know how to categorize your transactions in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your transactions organized will make your accounting process much easier. Thanks for watching.